Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Tell him about your lightsaber.
Yeah.
That is awesome, huh?
Yep, it is.
Do you want to tell Daddy?
Take it off. So press this button and turn it. Okay. I need that. Whoops.
Come over here.
Huh.
You want to tell him who you met today?
What?
Who did you meet today?
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader?
Uh-huh.
And who else?
The Stormtroopers.
Stormtroopers. You want to tell him thank you for your birthday party?
Thank you for my birthday party.
And that you love him?
And I love you, Daddy.
Anything else you want to tell him?
I'll show him about this.
Okay.
You know what we can do?
What?
Watch.
Wow. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye, Dad.